Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. These earbuds are available in white, Bora purple and graphite color variants. Samsung Galaxy. The box includes Buds 2 Pro, charging case, ear tips, Type-C to C cable and quick start guide. The box. Enjoy a comfortable fit thanks to the ergonomically designed earbuds. Enhanced wind flow technology helps reduce ear canal pressure and minimizes noise for comfort and clarity. The upgraded Samsung Seamless codec encodes the full 24-bit audio for maintaining the same 24-bit high-quality sound. With its intelligent 360 audio feature, the sound feels more realistic. The 360 audio algorithms with direct multi-channel, 5.1 chain, 7.1 chain, Dolby Atmos, and enhanced Dolby head tracking make every movement stay in sync. Get up to 5 hours of continuous playtime with ANC on. Galaxy Buds 2 Pro runs on Bluetooth 5.3 and are IPX7 water resistant. Intelligent ANC puts your playlist in focus. With 3 high SNR, signal-to-noise ratio, microphones. Galaxy Buds 2 Pro tracks and eliminates more outside sound, even soft sounds like wind.